Vulture. The Vulture was one of the largest little prey found in North America, and they are also known as the emblem of the United States of America. And check out those massive wingspan, everyone. And of course, Susie right there is a 0.4 meters. So the females are generally bigger and also known to go for smallness and even mammals as well. So you might be wondering, why are they known as the bald eagles when they have such lovely feathers on their head? Well, there are two reasons to it. Number one is that the term bald is actually an old English word for white head. And number two, when these birds are flying high up in the skies, their head will camouflage among the clouds, giving them the appearance in captivity. Let's give a big round of applause our American turkey vulture. So presenting to you, Titan. Alright, the turkey vultures can be found from the tip of Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. And they are the most numerous vulture species in the world, numbering way over 7 million in the wild. These birds act as smoke signals by flying low. It means they have picked up the stench of rotting meat. The big birds like the king vultures, which lack easily ability, will follow the turkey vultures' lead. But it will be the job of those big vultures to tear apart the top carcasses, because turkey vultures' beaks are not strong enough to do the job. Alright, one last one, Titan, right here as we make it back to his trainer. Come on, off you go. Thank you very much, Alan. Turkey Vulture. Right. Wow, I'm pretty sure none of you heard it flapping his wings, right? Well, this is because owls have very soft edges at the tip of their feathers, so the sound frequency will be absorbed by the feathers, but inside an approach catch the prey by surprise. That's why they are also known as the silent hunters of the night. By the way, this is the long owl Malay fish owl. Leopard owls can be found in Southeast Asia, and this particular species has evolved themselves to hunt the fish, making them very unique indeed. And the one right there is Rika, the Bengal eagle owl. That's right, also known as the rock eagle owl, because they can be found in all different answers. If you think it's right, just raise your hand, okay? So who thinks it's 180 degrees? Okay, no one. Excellent, that's 270 degrees. So they can only do that to 270 degrees, and we do that for net 30 degrees. Okay, no one, Rika, you have done well. Time to head back home. Thank you very much. Owl Bengal eagle owl. Thank you. Now back to Bulang. He is very friendly with his family. They head back home. There's nothing there in my club. Okay. We'll just help you out. Thank you very much. Our Malay fish owl. Take off and fly. These birds are able to make birds. Sorry. Slip off my hand. So just try. Amazing job there. Well done, Parker. And Raul has been with us for quite some time. In fact, he is over 30 years old. Great for everyone. Let's meet Rado! Here we go, man! Great! Nice! Alright. Now for those of you who have missed it, not to worry, we shall do this once again. Rado, here we go. Look at him, man. Great! Nice once again. But not only that, these birds are able to catch food in mid-air as well. So Rado, demonstration please. Amazing! Right, so ladies and gentlemen, I'll be doing 5 high throws, and let me see how many of those throws can he. But our next bird operator making his way out was actually rescued and nursed back to help by us. So everyone, let's put our hands together and welcome Jurong! Right here is a Himalayan river vulture, can be found in the higher regions of the Himalayas and Tibet. And some migrating juveniles came south happen to have lost their range district right here in Singapore. I'm ready to head back inside. Vultures can be found in Africa, Europe, and in Asia, just like the one right here. The vultures are very important to the environment. They help reduce the spread of contagious diseases by feeding on carcasses. That's why they're also known as nature's cleanup crew. Unfortunately, some of them are killed, and the white-rump vultures are facing extinction in the wild and deliberate poison. So we need to continue to do our part. To all of you with me that they certainly deserve and merit the title, the Kings of the Sky.